Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Pankaj Vaidya, Head of School, Yogananda School of AI, Computers and Data Science. My subjects are basically programming languages like Python, Java, C, C++. And we run a very different BTech core program in our school. We have 4 specializations like artificial intelligence, data science, cloud computing, and cybersecurity. How we are different from others? Because we do some practical work in collaboration with industries. Our placement is 100% and the top companies like CISCO, Hewlett Packard, Hughes Systique always come to the campus for the placements. We not only provide placement, but we make sure that our students grow along with their careers with the different companies and different specializations. We have some collaboration with IBM and AWS from where the students get certification to enhance their resume and their capabilities. That's why they are the best and placed in #1 companies across the world. Think Shoolini, think innovation.